Hey everybody, this is Brother Wadham. I have just sent you a link to this Google spreadsheet. The purpose for this spreadsheet is for you to sign up for a specific poem, short story, and novel that you're going to write each of your 3 papers about. Notice that the spreadsheet is organized by the journals. So we have the 19th century British literature, American realism, myth and legend, and multicultural. So what I'm asking you to do, let's say you are writing your FLA paper for British literature, then you choose a specific poem, and let's say I want to write about Kubla Khan. Then I'm going to select that and type my name in, and I'm done. Then let's say I'm going to write my research paper for Myth and Legend. I'm going to write about one of my favorite novels, Cloud Atlas. So I click over on Myth and Legend, scroll down to the research analysis novel, and put my name there. You can do the same for the short story that you'll write, your theory-based analysis paper, for whichever of these journals you've signed up for. Hopefully that makes sense. I would ask you, please don't overwrite anyone else's name. You have editing privileges, so please don't think that if someone else's name is there and you want that same poem, short story, or novel, that you can cross their name out. Just choose one, and if the one you like is already taken, then find something else. I hope that this makes sense. Please let me know if it doesn't. And if we can get this done as soon as possible, then we will truly be ready to dive into this semester. Thanks so much.